Beaver Creek Wetlands Association is a member-supported volunteer organization committed to preserving the beautiful and unique wetlands located along the Beaver and Little Beaver Creeks in Greene County, Ohio. Since 1988, we have conserved more than 2,000 acres in collaboration with many partners. There are 11 properties open to the public, right in our own backyard. We encourage you to get out and explore the preserved wetlands, a precious natural resource, and see for yourself how special these areas are. Siebenthaler Fen is the crown jewel of the wetland corridor. Explore its 130 acres by taking a boardwalk past wet woods, the Beaver Creek, and the Fen, a place of extraordinary biodiversity. Biologists have identified more than 470 plant species at Siebenthaler Fen. Abundant wildflowers include Queen of the Prairie, which blooms in July with puffy pink plumes that look like cotton candy, and Joe Pye weed, which can grow 7 feet tall. Standing dead trees, called snags, are very important to wildlife such as red-headed woodpeckers, owls, and even mammals like raccoons and bat. They provide areas for nesting and roosting, and insects for food. Look carefully, and you may even see a bald eagle on your adventure. Wetlands preserve habitat for a diverse array of plants and animals, including many that are endangered. The boardwalk can get you close to many animals, including green and great blue herons, snapping turtles, muskrats, and maybe even a beaver. Each year, hundreds of children and adults participate in educational, fun events at the wetland properties. On a Finding Frogs family fun hike, you can get up close and personal with some of the 15 kinds of frogs that call Ohio home. Frogs are often called an indicator species. If they are present in a wetland, it means that the water is clean. Frogs are in decline worldwide, and wetlands are vital to their survival. Dragonflies and damselflies are some of the other beautiful residents of Siebenthaler Fen. Their jewel-toned colors and amazing flying abilities make them fun to observe. Participants on this hike learned to use nets to carefully capture them to get an even closer view to help to identify them. More than 160 species of dragonflies and damselflies have been seen in Ohio. Like frogs, they are good indicators of water quality. Explore the wetlands on a warm, sunny day to find the most dragonflies and damselflies. Creekside Reserve's 137 acres feature 3.5 miles of trails and a bike path. Vibrant meadows full of native plants like wild senna, butterflies, and other insects come into full bloom in mid to late summer. Restoration work is helping native species return to Hagenbaugh Reserve, which includes a monarch way station. This area is a wonderful place to spot monarch butterflies, which depend on milkweed for their life cycle. The way station provides a bountiful variety of nectar-producing flowers to fuel the monarch's long migration to Mexico. The Monarch Way Station is also a wonderful place to get ideas for what to plant in your own garden to help these beautiful and important insects. Fairborn Marsh attracts migrating waterfowl, shorebirds, and sandhill cranes. A mile-long loop trail leads you through a prairie with clusters of newly planted trees. Beaver Creek Wetlands Association volunteers work to remove invasive honeysuckle and to plant native oaks, hazelnut, spicebush, and dogwoods. Venture into the forest to the observation deck for a view of the marsh. Boy Scouts help to develop trails and construct the deck, and many volunteers maintain the grounds. Take Kugler Wetland Prairie Reserve's boardwalk through wet woods, a prairie, and a sedge meadow, and discover unique wetland plants and tall prairie grasses. Sit and relax by the creek and enjoy beautiful wildflowers like jewelweed and purple coneflower. Wetlands clean our water and provide flood control. They improve property values by preserving green space, and they give us unique areas for education, recreation, and fitness. Monarch butterflies are tagged for a citizen science program that monitors population trends for this imperiled insect. The small stickers and the associated data collected provide information about when and where the butterflies were captured. This successful tagging program has become very popular in our community. Association members volunteer to direct numerous children's activities at the wetland properties throughout the year, both for school groups and families. Our programs help foster an interest in nature, get people outdoors, and educate the community about the natural resources we are lucky to have. Beaver Creek Wetlands Association is proud to help in preserving the important wetlands in our community. Picture yourself here. Join us. Explore the properties. Become a member. Attend an event. Volunteer.